बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। अच्छा स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे फ़िज़िक्स गेस्ट पेपर क्लास 9 फेडरल बोर्ड। बहुत शुक्रिया प्रोफेसर बशीर अहमद साहब। अच्छा स्टूडेंट, ये जो है ये फेडरल का जो करंट पेपर है उसके लिए जो करिकुलम सलेबस है उसका पेपर है, उन्होंने जो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे अपलोड किया है। ये क्वेश्चंस आप देख लें। ये पार्ट सेकंड है, पार्ट बी है। ये हमारे पास पार्ट सी है। अच्छा जी, कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस पहले कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट इज़ मैकेनिक्स एंड ऑप्टिक्स। सेकंड है, हाउ कैन रैंडम एयर बी रिड्यूस्ड। Why does a screw gauge give more precise length than a vernier caliper? What is scientific notation? Give two examples. Justify that displacement is a vector quantity while energy is a scalar quantity. Differentiate between distance and displacement. Next, differentiate between scalar and vector quantities. What is acceleration? Discuss its types. Draw a distance time graph for rest, uniform speed and increasing speed. State Newton's third law of motion with example from daily life. Next, why is it more difficult to push a large man on a swing than a small child? Differentiate between like parallel force and unlike parallel force. Next है हमारे पास what is equilibrium? State the condition of equilibrium. Differentiate between manometer and barometer. Next हमारे पास है, how does the shape of a thumb pin help it penetrate a surface easily? Describe qualitatively the particle structure of gases. Next है, describe plasma as the fourth state of matter. Justify why virtual energy machines do not work. Next है हमारे पास, differentiate between renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Justify the experiment to verify the principle of momentum. Analyze the dynamics of an object reaching terminal velocity. Define and calculate spring constant. Next है, illustrate that force may produce a change in size and shape of an object. Next है हमारे पास, why would we not be able to sip water with a straw on the moon? Next question है, why would a bag of chips expand as it is taken from sea level to a mountain top? Next short question है, how is the kinetic energy of an object change when its velocity is doubled? Next question है, how does the gravitational potential energy of an object change as it falls towards the earth? Next question, explain the energy conservation with a diver jumps into when a driver jumps into a pole. Next question है, on which quantities does the amount of work done depend? Next short question, why is the cutting edge of a knife made very thin? Next short question है, state Pascal's principle and write some of its application. Next, why is potential energy stored when a body is lifted to a height? Next short question, differentiate between science, technology and engineering. Next, define and explain paramagnetic material. Next, what is a magnet and a magnetic field? Next short question, mention some properties of thermometric liquid. Next short question है, define and calculate power. Next short question है, differentiate between temporary and permanent magnet. Differentiate between magnet and non-magnetic material. Define and calculate efficiency. Next short question है, list the 7 SI base quantities. Next short question है, differentiate between base and derived physical quantity. अच्छा जी, कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स भी है। 4 न्यूमेरिकल मैंने दिए हैं, मुमकिन है कि इसी से आ जाए, क्योंकि अगर आप पेपर को देखें तो पार्ट बी में एक न्यूमेरिकल है और पार्ट सी में एक न्यूमेरिकल है। तो ये देख ले, ये न्यूमेरिकल्स शायद इनमें से ही एक दो, या शायद एक आ जाए, दो आ जाए, मुमकिन है कि सारे आ जाए। लेकिन एक शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो पार्ट सेकंड में है, पार्ट बी में, और एक जो है पार्ट सी में, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पेपर जो दिया है फेडरल बोर्ड ने। अच्छा, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, व्हाट इज इक्विलिब्रियम? डिस्क्राइब एंड आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेट्स ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम। नेक्स्ट, डिफाइन ट्रांसलेटरी मोशन एंड एक्सप्लेन इट्स टाइप्स विद एग्जांपल। नेक्स्ट, describe the construction and working of vernier caliper. Next long question, explain the addition of forces using the head to tail rules. Next है, state the fundamental forces and compare their strengths. Next है, state and apply Newton's second law of motion. Next long question है, state the law of conservation of momentum and find the recoil velocity of a gun. Next है, what is torque? On what factors does it depend? Write its formula. Next long question, what is kinetics energy? What is kinetic energy? Describe its expression. Next है, draw and explain the force extension graph. Next long है, state Pascal's law and explain the working of a hydraulic lift. Next है, what is atmospheric pressure? Explain how it is made. Next long है, describe the particle structure of solid and gas. Next long है, what is the neutral zone of magnetic field? Next है, define and explain diamagnetic and ferromagnetic material. Next long question है, define fraction and discuss its microscopic description and disadvantages. Next long है, define centripetal force and explain its circular motion. Next long है, prove that liquid pressure is given by this formula. Next question है, describe the construction and working of gas thermometer.